something my old boss used to say was that for him, there was two different philosophies when it came to sales. It was, you know, you could either be hunting or gardening. I'm much more of a gardener. So I think that, you know, you invest and you take time and you will not necessarily see results right away. But if you do that and you are sincere about it and you actually genuinely care about the relationships that you're fostering, those relationships will always come back and they will always benefit you eventually. I think that, you know, that involves, if I was to go and work for a bank, I would be thinking about that in regards to, say, my customers. You know, how are we genuinely making their lives better? Not because, oh, it's necessarily going to make me richer, but because it means that the actual relationship is the business. So it allows us to sustain that. It allows us to change it. I think that if you see your relationship in any sector at all as purely transactional or disposable, I do think that you're doing it wrong. I think that even, especially in a very digital culture where we don't necessarily see people face to face, where, like you were saying, we see people through an email address. I think as personal as you can be, the better. And yeah, I completely agree as well that, you know, meeting people face to face is the number one way to create and maintain a relationship. It completely transforms your relationship when you get home and you start emailing that person again. And I think, yeah, any sector I would go into, I would take that lesson.